Our job is to make you look good.
Right.
Let me see what we can do. Let's see what we got.
Okay. Those fit like perfect, I think.
These are so perfect. They're so perfect that now I got to contour your bottom teeth.
Really?
These are going to blow you away.
Really?
I think this is the color you're going to have.
Yeah.
You're fixing to walk into immortality, dude.
Really?
Can you hold on for a second?
Let me see. Oh man, that is crazy. Dang, that looks really good.
It looks amazing. More than 5 times. I think it's 10 times better.
Yeah, it does.
The gum line
that looks
sealed.
really good. Right.
All that's within a year. That shows you how our technology is growing every day.
It is. That is so crazy.
If I get that bottom contoured out straight, they will never think that you're not related to a cosmetic dentist. In other words, these aren't fake veneers. They're not removable veneers. They're just veneers.
Right.
And you had a smile that was as challenged as it could be. And we didn't even offer you to contour it. We didn't ask you, oh, let's move this or that.
Right.
You have a perfect smile without drilling. And those veneers, I literally think within a week you're going to say, they're just veneers. It's not a difference between a manufactured home or a home. It's a home.